Welcome to Research Workshops, the library's self-enrolled Canvas course for information literacy instruction. Research Workshops is facilitated by the college-wide faculty librarian team. The librarians have designed the course to fit the research needs of your classes and to further develop your research skills and knowledge. Research Workshops has on-demand and live Zoom workshops. The on-demand workshops are Canvas modules you take at your own pace. These workshops contain multimedia elements such as videos and graphics that are designed to help in the retention of information. At the end of each module, there is a quiz to check your learning. The live workshops offer real-time research instruction and are led by a librarian through Zoom. Click on the Zoom link on the course menu to view the live workshop schedule. Just as with the on-demand workshops, the live workshops also give you the opportunity to take a quiz at the end to check your learning. When you successfully complete a workshop by earning the required amount on a quiz, you earn a badge. You keep track of your badges through the Badges link on the course menu.